Hello, welcome again. We are solving some questions of production engineering or manufacturing science. The topic is welding or joining processes. Question number 13 is two 1 mm thick plate are to be spot welded at a current of 5000 amperes. Assuming effective resistance to be 200 micro ohm and current flow time of 0.2 seconds, heat generated during the process will be option A, zero point 0.2 joule, option B, 1 joule, option C, 5 joule, option D, 1000 joule. So here the heat generated during the process is I square RT and I is 5000. R is 200 minus 6 and T is zero point 0.2. So heat generated is 1000 joule. Question number 14. The resistance spot welding is performed on two plates of 1.5 mm thickness with 6 mm diameter electrode using 15,000 ampere current for a time duration of 0.25 seconds. Assume the interface resistance to be 0.0001 ohm. The heat generated to form weld is option A 5625 watt second, option B 8437 watt second, option C 22500 watt second, option D 33750 watt second. Again we are using the same formula, that is I square RT. So I here is 15,000, R is 0.0001 and T is 0.25. So answer will be 5625 watt second. Option A is the right answer. Next, the stress concentration factor in shear due to the similar material of weld and plate is given by K is equal to C square GA divided by 2E PTA raised power 1 by 2, where K is stress concentration factor, GA is shear modulus of adhesive, E is Young's modulus of the plate, P is thickness of the plate, PA is adhesive thickness, C is overlap in lap joint. The joint is made between two aluminum sheets of 1.2 mm thickness with an adhesive thickness of 0.25 mm. The overlap length is 12 mm. Tau AL is 703 Newton per mm square. GA is 11.9 Newton per mm square. The ultimate shear strength of the adhesive is tau A is 0.6 Newton per mm square. So this is the maximum shear stress. This is the figure PA, C, T, P. The maximum shear stress in the lap joint shown in figure can withstand option 2.274 Newton per mm square, option B 0.375 Newton per mm square, option C 0.215 Newton per mm square, option D 0.125 Newton per mm square. So here GA is given as 11.9, E is given as 703, thickness of the plate is given as for this formula. Okay. T is 1.2 mm, C is 12 mm, PA is adhesive thickness, that is 1.2 mm. So putting the value here, we can find out the stress concentration factor, that is 2.919, and now the tau A is given as shear stress is given as point shear stress of the adhesive is given as 0.6 Newton per mm square. Okay. So now this is your ultimate shear stress, and now the stress concentration factor is also known. So the maximum shear stress the joint can withstand is ultimate shear stress of adhesive divided by stress concentration factor, that is 0.274 Newton per mm. So answer is 15 here. So here two stresses are given, one is for aluminum and other is for adhesive. So we have to check the shape stress for adhesive, so we'll take the ultimate shape stress for adhesive, not this, because it is for aluminum plate, so that is nothing to do with the question or required answer. Okay, so answer will be according to that, and answer will be 0.274.